Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to computer online class. Hope you all are doing well at home. Today, we will learn from HTML how to insert tables. Okay. We have already completed lists and images in HTML. Today we will learn about tables. Tables in HTML. Tables in HTML. Tables in HTML are defined with table tag. If you want to insert a table in your web page, so you have to start your HTML with which tag? Table tag. A table is divided into rows. You know, a table is divided into rows and columns. Each row is divided into data cells. Okay. The row is divided into what? Data cells. A data cell may contain text, image, list, paragraph, forms, horizontal, rules, tables, etc. That means if you want to insert a table, so you have to start with what? Table tag. And this table, if you want to write any content inside the cell, for that you require which tag? Data, that is TD tag. So inside that cell it can contain what? Text, image, list, paragraph, forms, etc. So we can specify the row by using the TR tag. Getting, students? To insert a table, which tag we are using? Table tag. And if you want to give row, to specify the row, that you have to give TR tag. And suppose if you want to add data inside the table, you have to use TD tag. So tables in HTML, you have to remember these three tags. One is table tag, the second is TR tag, that is used to specify the row, and the third is TD tag, that is to write inside the table. So let us see one example. Okay, how to give the HTML codes. You can even take out your textbook page number 41. You can see from your textbook. First you have to write the HTML, then body, then paragraph. Each table starts with which tag? Table tag. Each table row starts with TR tag. And each table data starts with TD tag. Then your paragraph is closed. Then H4, the one column. Okay. In the first column, what you want to give? Table border. Okay, table border 1 means it will show you the width inch of the table border 1, 2, 3, like this you can write. Then TR, you have to write TR. Why you are giving TR? Because you want a row. Then TD. TD means inside that row you want to write 1000. Okay. Inside the table, that is inside the rows and columns, you want to write something. So that's why you have given which tag? TD tag. Then the TR tag is closed. Then the table is closed. See, I am showing you how the output will show. See, inside the column, this is the one row is there, and inside 1000 is written. To display 1000, what you have written? TD. And to make the row, what you have to write? TR. Now one row and 3 columns. You want one row and you want how many columns? 3 columns. So for that you have to write 3 columns. Table border 1. Then for the row you are writing TR. Then you want 3 columns. Inside that 3 columns you want to write something. That is, for example, here we have taken 1000, 2000 and 3000. For that we are writing TD tag. So TD 1000, then TD tag close, then TD 2000, then TD tag close, then TD 3000, TD tag close. Then you close the row, that is TR tag, then close the table. So see how the output will show you. You have written 3 columns. See, this is the output. For 3 columns, TR you have written, and for 1000, 2000, 3000, what you have written? TD 1000, TD close, TD 2000, TD close, TD 3000, TD close. This is how 3 columns has been done in one row. Now let's see how you can make 2 rows. That was 1 row. Now you want to do 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, you want what? 2 rows with 3 columns. That's why you have again written table border equal to 1 TR, that is for row, TD 1000 and TD 2000, TD 3000. So above you have mentioned 2 rows. So 2 rows will become and 3 columns will become. So you want to put in the second row what all data if you want to put. In the first row the data are TD 1000, TD 2000, TD 3000. In the second row you want to write inside the table, that is 4000, 5000, 6000. So TD 4000, TD close, TD 5000, TD close, TD 6000, TD close. Then TR you have to close TR. Okay, why we are giving TR? To specify the row. Then the table is closed, the body is closed, then the HTML is closed. So here you see the output, how it has come. 2 rows and 3 columns. So see here 2 rows it is displaying. Above you see 1 row. At bottom you see 2 row it is displaying, and it is having 3 columns. And you have mentioned that TD 4000, TD 5000, TD 6000. This is how it will come. So see the output, students. This is how the output will come. If you want to specify row in your HTML, so you have to add which tag? TR tag. And if you want to add inside the table, then you have to use TD tag. Getting my point? So this is how you can do. So for 1 row you have to write 1 row, and for 2 rows you have to write 2 rows, and for 3 columns you have to write 2 rows and 3 columns, and for 1 row you have to write 1 row and 3 columns. And if you want to insert, write inside the row anything, like here 1000, 2000, 3000 is given, so you have to write TD tag, TD 1000, TD close, TD 2000, TD close, TD 3000, TD close. Hope students you have understood how to do tables in HTML. In my next online class I will be telling you table borders. Okay, how to do tables border. Thank you students for watching my online class and listening my online class. All of you take care, be safe at home. Bye students.